Good evening, traders, Bitcoin investors. How you guys doing out there? You feeling some pain? Yeah, looks like some blood on the streets, right? Wow. So yeah, earlier I just hopped on the laptop, turned on the laptop. Um, yeah, earlier I posted that daily chart with the highs and lows, and we broke the low with conviction. What is going on? I don't know. It's one of those bloody weekends, bloody Sundays, eh? Yeah, hope you guys doing all right. Um, yeah, hope you guys hanging in there. But let's have a look. So I put up the 4 hour chart on, and those previous dailies, highs and lows. I've moved these arrows over to find out what's going on in the current trend on the 4 hourly candles. Okay, so this is when was this? May 13th. What was that? Thursday? Um, it appeared earlier during the day it was going to form some sort of double bottom, but we didn't. So lower low on the daily. On the 4 hour, what you got? You got a low, high, low, slightly higher high, and the next low was this candle here, right? This candle here, which is lower than this. 46,448 and 47,000. So now you got slightly higher high, but barely, and under the 18 on the moving average on the 4 hour. And so now you create a bear trend, right? No, even now, still not confirmed bear trend. Now you have a lower high. I'm sorry. This high is lower than this high. So now you got high, low, lower, high, and where will the low be? I don't know. Could it be this candle? Could it be this one? I believe the CME is about to open up. The CME, I think, closed at $50,000, and which coincides amazingly with this high. There you have it. So, what is the current state of affairs on the CME, the contracts? Right? Are they net short or net long? You have to do some research because I'm not going to look it up right now. I'm going to make this a short video. I may stream on YouTube, but this one's going to be less than 5 minutes. So yeah, we'll see. So what was this low? 43,769. 43,769, and this was what? 60, basically 65,000, right? 65,000. So let's do a little quick calculation. So that low represents a 32.7% correction. 32.7% kind of lines up with a Fibonacci retracement, right? 31.8. Or is it? No, that's 38.2. 38.2. Now here's something. Let's take the 65 and times it by 0.618. Ooh. So at 38.2% retracement is $40,000 and $170. Ooh, around here. So it all depends on the CME now, right? Institutional investors, do they see this as a bargain or do they see it as an opportunity to flush out even more? Right? We shall see. I think, what would it be? I think it's 7 p.m. New York time. So midnight here. So hour and a half away. So what is this candle? Yeah, it'll be during this candle that the CME opens. So, yeah, pay attention, eh? What else is happening? Doge. Doge is showing strength against Bitcoin, or at least stable. All right. Doge BTC 0.64. Ah. Hex BTC. What is that? How many sats is that now? 11.66. Uh-huh. And this is why I kind of migrate all my funds to Hex, because in an hour and a half, I'm going to be buying this dip. How? I've got no money. But my contracts, my shares, automatically purchase this dip. And I've got a good few thousand shares, so it's approximately, I don't know, maybe $1,500, $2,000 worth getting bought on the Hex dip tonight, every night. Not too bad. What else is going on? ETH taking a hammering, down 7.6%. Bitcoin Cash. So the alts are not holding up. Amazing, eh? It's like a Bitcoin only event. It's like a Bitcoin only event. It's not dragging down the market. Back in the day, if Bitcoin went down 5%, a couple of grand back in the day, alts will get smashed. Maybe it's the Bitcoin dominance now is the amount of stable coins out there. Maybe that is having an effect. I think so. There we go. I've discovered why. So if Tether's number 4, and you got USDC top 20, right? That's 2 right there. 2 big market caps. Boom, boom. Litecoin. Yeah, my bull position's not doing too well. Coinbase. Yeah, there's definitely some blood on the street. XMR against BTC. So yeah, it's not all doom and gloom. Solano. I was talking about that since yesterday. I had this on a watch list for a while. BNB eventually should hit 1,000 still, because more trading, more volatility, more fees, right? Luna. I think that's about it. Ooh, Uni's taking a big dump. Filecoin. Wow. I was playing around with this around 160, 170 mark. Yeah. Okay. All right, dudes. Yeah, like I said, let's look at a 2 hour. Well, actually, let's go back to the 4 hour. Let's put on a couple of indicators quickly. Then I should call it. Slow Stokes pointing down. Momentum weakening. Right. This is the major move, but this could bleed out to 40. It could bleed out to 40. Let's do on the daily. Ooh, this is really kind of disturbing now. The momentum is confirming this move. It's pushing down, right? Let's go back to 2017. Log chart. I mean, once it starts hanging around in the negative zone, like it can never push down with vengeance, with force, right? And all this time during 2018, it was just creeping up. It had no real oomph to the upside, right? Not like, let's see. Yeah, look. All this is in positive territory. And look at that pop, right? 2020. Again, post-COVID, all this action in the positive zone, right? Look, never touching zero. But yeah, look at all this divergence, right? Well, look, here's another interesting zone. 42,000. 42,000. 48% retracement is at 40. There should be support now. There should be, right? Right? We'll see. I mean, if it's going to turn around, it will happen within the next 2-3 days, right? If the bear market is upon us, then we should start entering into this zone, right? Right. A lot of people got in at $53,000. They're underwater. Elon. When did Elon get in? Here. So that's the floor, right? 30 grand. There's no other world's richest men buying, right? So if he's like buying now and starts tweeting positive things about Bitcoin, who knows? Who knows with that guy? Man. See, you don't want. I'm gonna say you don't want that dude in Bitcoin because he's just such a dominant force in the market, and he's so erratic. He's tweeting. Is it erratic or is it all part of his grand plan? Who knows? Who knows? But anyway, yeah, that should call it for me. That should call it for me. All right, peace, biology.